came in heaven, then they became a hell. You did not know where to go to. Now you know that well. I was hell and heaven for you. You arrived, decided to stay. I'm an expensive trip to nowhere. Two of us together, there simply is no way. I don't know what is the matter, but you don't deserve this rainy weather. I don't know if I will ever feel better. I just know that we can't be together. Drink and forget me. You're alone now. Drink and forget me. You are done now. Drink and forget me. Drink and forget me. Wake up in the sunny morning, it will be fine, only your head will hurt. And you will say after your head stops burning,